Sa loob ng 2 linggo, hindi bababa sa 3 ang
Tinagurian na ngayon ang Pilipinas bilang bullying capital of the world.
Patuloy na tumataas ang kaso ng mga batang biktima ng bullying. Ayon sa Council for the Welfare of Children,
We are the bullying capital of the
tinututukan
world
naman ng
based on
Department of
PISA
Education
because the highest
ang mga
prevalence
kaso
of
nito
bullying and
sa
on
mga
loneliness sa
paaralan.
Pilipinas nangyayari.
But being there for someone is only the beginning. To stop bullying, we need to understand it, recognize it, and know what we can do about it.
What is bullying?
Bullying is repeated behavior that hurts, threatens, humiliates, or influences another person.
It can be physical.
It can be hitting and throwing object at someone.
It can be verbal or social. And it can happen online through hurtful messages, posts,
No matter what form it takes, bullying should never be ignored.
Why should we care about bullying?
because words and action can affect how someone feels about themselves. Someone who being bullied may feel isolated, afraid, or uncomfortable at What do you think bullying is?
For me, bullying is when someone repeatedly hurts, insults, threatens, or excludes another person, whether in person or online.
Why do you think people bully others? People may bully others for different reasons, like wanting attention, feeling powerful, or being influenced by other people. But whatever the reason, bullying is never okay. What should we do when we see someone bullied?
We shouldn't laugh or join in. We should support the person, speak up when it's safe, and tell our trusted teacher, parents, or other responsible adults.
How can students help prevent bullying?
We can prevent bullying by treating everyone with respect, including others, instead of including them, speaking up when see something wrong, and choosing kindness every day.
Don't join in.
Don't laugh or encourage the bullying.
Support the person who is being bullied. Tell a trusted teacher, parent, and responsible adult. And if it's happening online, don't share or spread hurtful content.
You don't have to face the situation alone. Getting help is an important part of stopping bullying. Sometimes, helping doesn't require a big action. Sitting beside someone, listening to them, or simply letting them know they are not alone can make a difference.
Don't be a bystander. Be an ally.
Speak up when something is not right.
Stand beside those who need support. Choose respect over well-being.
Stop bullying. Choose kindness.
We all have a role in creating a safer and kinder environment. A single voice can encourage others to speak up. A single act of kindness can remind someone that they are not alone.
Now, stand together. Show respect. Choose kindness. You're not alone. Okay.